In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a sales funnel using ClickFunnels. First, we are going to choose a product that we want to promote on ClickBank. We're going to copy all the links and all the materials that we need from ClickBank. And then we're going to register or sign up for ClickFunnels if you don't have the account in ClickFunnels. We're going to build that sales funnel in ClickFunnels, and then we're going to promote it. I also added an additional step here where we're going to purchase our domain, or you will get your authority domain, but I will explain later why you need an authority domain and why you don't need an authority domain. So stay tuned. So the first step is to go on ClickBank, log into your account, and find a product that you want to promote. So I'm just going to log into my account. Once you're logged in, we're going to click on Marketplace, and on the left hand side you can pick any category that you want. For this purpose and for this example, I will go under Sell Help, and I'm going to rank sort my results by gravity. And let's say I want to promote this product right here. I'm going to go on their affiliate page, and on their affiliate page I will find everything that I need for this promotion. Since I want to collect leads with the sales funnel, I want to give something in return for my customers' email. So I want to give some kind of a PDF. Under articles and landers, I can find custom PDF reports, and I will download one of these photos in order to promote this PDF, and I will download the PDF report. So let's say I want to use this PDF. I can click on the image, save the image on my computer, and then download the HTML and the PDF. So I can enter my ClickBank ID to include in the custom report. So I'm just going to type in my ClickBank ID. All of these additional features, I don't need them for now. These are all optional. And I'm just going to click I'm not a robot. And I'm going to generate my personalized PDF report. Now that I have my personalized PDF saved on my computer, I can turn to funnel building. So I will go to ClickFunnels.com and I will start my 14-day free trial. You don't have to use ClickFunnels. You can use any other software for building sales funnels, but I'm used to using ClickFunnels, so I'm just going to use this one. I also have a PDF ready for you to download where I have given you all the resources and all the other alternatives to software that you can use for your business. So I'm going to create my account with ClickFunnels. So you would just follow what's on the screen. You would just give your full name, address, and create your password. Then ClickFunnels asks you if you want a free t-shirt. You can always sign up for that if you want to, and you can watch these videos on how ClickFunnels work. But for now, I would just say no thanks. I'd rather just get started on my own. And this is it. This is your ClickFunnels dashboard. There's a lot of cool stuff here. You can always get free education, there are free webinars each week, and under here you will find your company name. For now, I haven't placed any company information in it, but you can always change that later. There's account settings. You can always become an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Under profile settings, you will find all the relevant information about billing. Here on this tab, you will find ClickFunnels, what you can build. So there are funnels, there are contacts stored, sales, the marketplace for a funnel, and build the funnel again. You can always explore this on your own, but for now, let's just say you have a 14-day free trial, and you can always cancel that subscription and things with ClickFunnels if you see that you don't like it. But for starters, let's build our sales funnel. So if we click on build a funnel, you can see that ClickFunnels is very user-friendly, and immediately a wall will show up where you can choose your goal, what you want to do. So for this purpose, for this funnel, we want to collect emails. I would just say I want to collect emails. I would name my funnel, so this can be anything. I would just type in test funnel. You can select a group tag if you have multiple funnels, but for now I'm just going to leave this empty, and I'm just going to say build funnel. ClickFunnels will immediately give you templates from which you can choose from, and you can start building your funnel. Choosing templates is a very good idea just because you don't have to worry about a lot of things. You don't have to worry about colors or anything else. Just type in the right words and that's it. So as you know, our opt-in or squeeze funnel always has 2 pages. The first one is an opt-in page and the second one is a thank you page where you thank your customer for their email and you would give them a PDF report in return. So the first step is to build or to choose a template. So you can always select a template or preview, but let's just scroll down a little bit and see what else is here. Okay, so let's say that I like this template. I would just click on preview to see how it looks like, which is great. So instead of this photo, I would put my photo that I downloaded from ClickBank and I would type in some of the words here. I will choose this template. So I will click on select template and let's immediately choose the thank you page as well. So this is also ready. So let's click on thank you page. We're going to try to choose the same design that follows the first page. And I would say that this is this page as well. So let's say preview, this is it. And I would also click on select template. So now we picked both templates and I will go back to the opt-in page. Now I want to edit the opt-in page. So I will click on edit page. So, and this is the sales funnel editor. And at the top, you can always switch between views. You either choose desktop or mobile. Under settings, you will find the integrations tab. This is really important. So if we are collecting emails, you will have to have some kind of integration with the email software. I'm going to talk about the email software that you can use later, and we are going to connect that as well. Under SEO metadata, you can always choose how your page will look in search and how it ranks under SEO standards. There's a tracking code that you can put from Google Ads or Google Analytics. So it will track the data. And this is just the background colors that you can choose, typography and general settings. Always when you are editing, always save at the top here. Always click save so every progress is saved and you don't lose your data. And you will always have to click on preview to see how your page look. Of all this information, it's very easy to edit. So I wouldn't need this section. I would just delete everything. So I'll just click delete and OK. And instead of this image, as I said, I want to put the image of a book that I want to give. So I will go under settings and under image, I will go to the library. I would upload this image from my computer. Now that I have my image uploaded, I would just click on it and as I would say add image. And as you can see here, my image is added. And now we're going to edit the text. I would just leave the title, so free report wheels, and instead of this I would just type in learn. So it's up to you what you want to write here. It really depends on your offer and how much you want to reveal, and you can always change the color of this title. So you would just highlight it, and then for this one as well, bold color, let's put it in blue, or just leave it red. So if you want to add more text, you can always add a new element. So you can either choose a headline, subheadline, paragraph, video, or something else that you have. But we're just going to leave it like this for now. Is this black? I don't know if it's black or not. Text color is black. There you go. And then you would have a field here. So the input type is email address. So you would type in, enter your email address here. And it's the required field because we want to collect emails. On the button, I want to set the action. So for this action, because we're going to lead our customers to go to the thank you page, so we would just click or select the submit order or submit form. So just leave it like that. For the button text, I will, yes, I'd love a free copy. And the color of this, maybe black. And that's it. You submit above. So this free report will be instantly sent to the email address you submit above. Since we are still building the funnel and we haven't connected the email software, this won't happen immediately, but I'll show you how to connect that and how can you do that later. So we're just gonna type in the new year here. And this is it. You will just click on save. And if you click on preview, this is how your landing page would look like. And now we can go back, exit this page to edit our thank you page. So you will click on thank you page and we're going to click on edit page. Now on the thank you page, we just want to thank our customers for giving us their email. And we can lead them to click on the next button or the sales page. So I'm just going to delete this logo because I don't need it. Thank you. We can say check your email. Your free PDF is waiting for you in your... All the unnecessary stuff can be deleted. In step 2, I would tell my leads to go on the sales page. If we go back on ClickBank, under promo links, you can find the landing pages that you want to show. So there's a video sales letter, long letter and a video, long letter, devotion quiz, brief letter. So if you check on devotion quiz, if you test it, you can see that there is a test or a quiz that our leads can go through. So this is an interesting landing page and we can use that one. So if I go on devotion quiz, if I select that one, at the first I would type in my ClickBank username. Tracking ID is optional, so you don't need that one. This is the most important field, your ClickBank ID. You would choose your landing page, devotion quiz, and at the step 4, you can find your link that you need to copy. So I would copy my link. It says here it's copied to clipboard. I will copy that and I will go back on ClickFunnels. So let's say test or take our devotion quiz, find out what men circling what, and then under this button, so I would edit it, take quiz now, and then under set action you will put here your affiliate link that you just copied. So I would just paste it here and that's it. Opens in the same window and you would just click on go back. So maybe change the color of this. Background color is yellow or maybe green. Just leave it here and everything else can be deleted. So I would just delete this box and I will delete this box as well. And you would just click on save. So what does this mean? So when somebody gives you their email address, they will come to the thank you page where they need to follow 2 steps. So the first one is that they need to check their email. So the free PDF is waiting for them in their inbox. And the second one is they need to take the devotion quiz. So what does this do for you? So if they take the quiz, so if they click on this button, for example, it will immediately lead them to the offer. And in the link, you can see that this site is connected to your ClickBank ID. So if the customer goes to the quiz and if they decide to buy something, you will get a commission. So I chose this landing page. You don't have to choose this quiz. You can always choose from other options. It can be just a simple page where you lead them, but it's important so to give your leads few options. Yes, in the email, their PDF will wait for them, but also in the email, you will tell them about the offer and you will explain the offer in some more detail, and they can always check out the offer from the email. But also I give them the option here so they can always click on this quiz, take the quiz and immediately purchase. But it's up to you how you want to frame your offer. So once you saved your funnel, you can always test it. So this is the name of your funnel. I just named them test funnel. You would copy URL to clipboard, and you can always check it, open an incognito window, and paste it in the bar and test it. So this is the landing page. As you can see here, you can always type in your email address, like your test email address, and click on yes, allow a copy. And there you go. This is your funnel. Now your customer gave you the email. You will have that stored somewhere, and they can get the free PDF. We will edit the emails later, but for now, this is it. So as you can see here, this right here, this is your link or your website. You'll probably see that this first part of the link is your username that you sign up with ClickFunnels. You can go ahead and you can copy this link and promote it, but it's always a good idea to purchase the authority domain or the right domain that you can connect to your business. So under account settings, and if you scroll down, you will see setup domains. And if you click on that, you can add your own domain to strengthen your brand. And you can purchase a domain from ClickFunnels. Once you purchase the domain, if you go back to your funnel, under settings and under domain, you would choose that domain name that you have. I haven't purchased any of the domains yet, but this is the place where you would choose your domain. So if you bought a domain name, for example, myawesomecompany.com, it would be listed here. You would pick that one, and then your funnel would actually have a unique domain or your authority domain name. Why do you need it? Well, if you want to promote the products on Google Ads, then you would need to purchase that domain, because this stuff wouldn't actually work because it looks really ugly and they would know that this is ClickFunnels. So you would need to change that. And this part right here would have to be changed as well, so it looks a little bit nicer. So you would just click on funnel step settings, and instead of this path, instead of this ugly letters, you would type in get free love PDF, and you will click on update funnel step. Now when you go back, you will see that it says free love PDF get now. So it looks a little bit nicer, but it would look even more nice if you had your domain. So in summary, we just created your first funnel. And this is already the link. You just copy this URL and you can go ahead and promote and put this on your blog or your Facebook page, Instagram, or anywhere else where you want to promote your offer.